an AI-powered audio and video workshop for everyone? Now I'm partnering with RecCloud to create this video for you. So what is RecCloud? It is a combination of several AI tools as well as some form of basic video editing as well. So let's dive in and see what this tool has to offer. When you go to their website, which is REC and RecCloud, there are some AI tools from AI speech to text, AI video audio summarizer. This is kind of interesting. Vocal removal, subtitle generator, video generator, as well as voice generator and video translator. You can also edit your videos for recording your screen, trimming your online video, as well as to crop online video and merge video online. So these few functions looks like as if it is a screen recorder that allows you to do some basic editing. There is a free account for you to test out some of the features in RecCloud, but I'm getting ahead of myself. So let's log in and I'm going to show you what you can do. Now if you're new, please sign up. You can use Google or Facebook to sign up for this account, or your email as well. So I'm just going to log in because I have already signed up. First, let's look at the AI speech to text. Click on this and you can do start for free. Now this check record tells you if you have done any prior projects before. So let's just go start for free. And all you need to do is to upload and drag audio video files. Here, I'm just going to select a plus sign and go into my directory and select this video. It will just take a short time to upload and convert that video into text. So this video is around 18 minutes long. And once it's done, you'll see something like this. This will be the original text. You can expand or collapse it, and there is AI polishing. Original text will be a word-for-word transcribing between the speech to audio, which means when RecCloud detects the word, it will actually just transcribe it directly. For AI polishing, it will remove certain words that is not necessary, some filler words, some words that may have an S where it shouldn't, or the opposite way. So for example, in this sentence, there is this phrase, "me for some reason." This was in the original video, whereas for the AI polished version, this was removed. And things like spelling, having an S or where it shouldn't. So these are some of the things that AI polishing would do for you. And this is an added advantage with RecCloud versus other AI speech to text transcription. Now here on the right is a summary, so that when you upload a video, you can quickly see what is the points of that particular video. So the great thing about this is that you don't really need to look through the entire video to get the key points if you're trying to do, say, competitor analysis on some videos. Besides just doing this speech to text, there is also a translation feature. For example, if you have a video that you don't really understand the language, you can also use this speech to text and then translate it to different languages. For example, Chinese, Spanish, or German, French, or etc. So let's say you want to translate it to say German. You select this and you click on translate, and this requires 2 credits for doing this. I have some credits to try, so let's just click on translate. You can see that it is doing the translation when you see this icon over here doing that translation. So once it's done, you can see that the summary is on the right, and this is the original text, and at the bottom is the AI polished German version of it. Now you can copy this or you can edit any of this. Okay, so for example, if you find that there's something that's not correct, you want to edit it, you can do so. And if you're happy with it, you can export it by exporting this content. So just click on AI polished and OK, and you will be able to save the information in a Word document or something. Okay, so let's just save this. And let's take a look at what it looks like. Okay, so this is the thing in German. I don't understand German, so probably I will put this into a translation and see how it looks later on. And here is also the summary as well. If you understand the language, you can look through the summary and see whether RecCloud got this correct or not. You can actually record audio directly into RecCloud. so that you don't have to record it and then upload this. So just click on record audio and then you can start recording, and once it's done you can just click on complete, or if you want to pause it for any reason you can pause it. And let's try other tools. Now there is also AI vocal remover, which means you can either remove the original audio or the vocals or the accompaniment. Having a video with vocals and background music, it is tough for any tool to remove. So I tried it with one of my prior videos. Although it did a good job when there isn't any speech, however when there are areas with speech it struggles a little bit, but it does help in reducing the background music that I included in that video. Okay, and you got to choose whether you want to extract the old vocals or the original audio. Let's look at our files. So let's look at video with subtitles. There are more languages in terms of doing subtitles. Let's do Malay since I know Malay, and let's generate this. The subtitle is ready and it is translated into Malay. You can see all this here with the time as well. Once you're happy with this, you can export it as the video with the MP4 with this burn in, or you can just export the subtitle.srt file. And these are the results of trying to generate snow falling down over KLCC Twin Tower. These are the scenes, and RecCloud actually generated several scenes about this. Now the scenes aren't really realistic, although I tried, I have the photographic settings, and if I want to convert all these images to video, then it will require 180 credits to do that. So these are some of the things that RecCloud can do as well. If I do not want any scene, I can either replace it or delete them. Now this scene doesn't really look like Kuala Lumpur, alright, so people don't wear. Let's delete this. Okay, so the video length has reduced by 4 seconds, and now the credits require 150 credits to create this video. Click to generate the video. Let's see what it comes out with. So converting a photo image that RecCloud created will cost 30 credits. So let's see just what comes out over here. Well, I have to say that it doesn't really look that realistic. So anyway, these are just some other things that you can try with RecCloud. So these are the few key features in this software called RecCloud. And let's go to hit on the pricing. Like I mentioned, there's a free plan that you can try some of the features, and also a paid plan. The paid plan is only $480 per month. It gives you 3,000 credits per year. Now, if you are just trying out this tool, you can also do the short term, which is $9 per week, which gives you 100 credits per week. And there's also another way you can do, which is to upgrade the credits. So if you just want to buy the credits, $29 gives you 1,000 credits. Okay, so basically that's about RecCloud. Do give it a try if you think that this tool is helpful for your process, and let me know in the comments of this video what you think about this software. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a like and a thumbs up, and check out what's on the screen right now for other software reviews on AI tools.